Welcome to our channel. That name is Guruji. We will discuss chapter number 12 and the name is area related to circle. We have discussed 12.1 and 12.2 in this video. We will discuss and chapter exercise number 12.3. Here question number first is here. Find the area of the shaded region in figure. If radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 cm and 14 cm respectively and angle AOC equal to 40 degree. So what is the demand of the question? We have to find the area of the shaded region. Shaded region, that will be A, B, D, C. This portion you have to find the area of the shaded region. So what is the formula of area of sector? Theta upon 360 pi r square. So now first of all we will understand about the concentric circle. That means if you have, there are two circles but the same center, so that means concentric circle. How to solve? Look at this one. Radii of concentric circles. First radius we will talk about the OA. OA, that means bigger radius, and OB is the shortest. So we are talking about the OA. OA equal to, that will be R1 and R1. The second one is 14 centimeter. Next is OB. OB is equal to R2, let R2, and that will be 7 centimeter. Now you can see here there are two circles. The first circle, the radius OA, that will be 14. So we will assume R1, and the second one is R2 equal to 7 centimeter. Angle is given, angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. So that will be the theta also. Now you can apply the formula. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So now you can write the area of the shaded region is equal to area of sector, bigger minus smaller. So bigger, that will be AOC. AOC minus area of sector. The smaller this one, BOD. Put the formula. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. But first radius is here R1. So pi R1 square. Here it is minus sign, minus theta upon 360 into pi R2 square. Okay. Put the value and find out the answer. So how to write here? Here you can see. So theta upon 360 into pi, you will take the common. So R1 square minus R2 square. I think you can understand. Value of theta. What is the value? 40. 40 upon 360 into 22 upon 7. R1 square, that means 14 square, and minus 7 square. That means 7 square. Here it is. 0 cancel by 0, 4, 4 9 ja, and here it is 22. So 1 upon 9 into 22 upon 7, and 14 square. What will be a 14 square? It is 196 minus 49. After subtracting, you will get it 1 upon 9 into 22 upon 7 into 16 minus 9, that is 7. Okay, 9 become 8. So that will be 4, 1, 4, 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja, and 7 1 ja, 3, 3 ja 9, 3, 7 ja. So the remaining portion, now you can write here 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 as it is, and after that you will get 22. 22, and here it is the 7. So 7. 7 2 ja 14, 7 2 ja 14, 1, 15 upon 3 centimeter square, because the unit is here centimeter and we have to find the area. So here it is the centimeter square. Now you can write hence the area of shaded region is 154 upon 3 centimeter square. So this is your required solution. I think you can understand. And next question. Next, find the area of the shaded region in figure. If ABCD is a square of a side 14 cm and APD and BPC are semicircles. So in this question, we have to find the area of this shaded region. How to find? Look at this one. Solution given side of a square equal to 14 centimeter. Okay here, and AD, this is the side of the square. This one 14, this one 14, 14 and 14. So always this is one semicircle. So this is also diameter. So you can write diameter of a semicircle. How much? AD equal to BC equal to 14 centimeter. So now you can find out the radius of semicircles. Semicircle, that means 14 upon 2. So here it is the 7 centimeter, right? We have to find the area of the shaded region. So now you can write area of shaded region equal to area of a square minus area of two semicircle. So here it is area of a square, that means side into side, minus area of two semicircle. So 2 into 1 upon 2 pi r square, right? So here it is the side to side, that means 14 into 14 minus 2 cancel by 2. Pi value is 22 upon 7 and radius how much here? It is 7. So how many times? 2 times. 7 1 is 7. So next number is 14 into 14, 196 minus 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14, 154. So 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 5, 42. 42 centimeter square. This is your required solution. Area of the shaded region, 42 centimeter square. Now you can write the next last line, hence area of shaded region is 42 centimeter square. Next question here. In figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and the radius 3.5 centimeter. If OD equal to 2 centimeter, find the area of the quadrant OACB shaded region. In this question, we have to find the two things. Here it is, the first one is the quadrant OACB and the shaded region. This portion, you have to find this portion. So here it is the radius 3.5 centimeter, this one, and 2 centimeter is OD is given. Okay, we have to find first of all OACB, this portion. So that means the quadrant of a circle. Quadrant of a circle, the formula is 1 upon 4 pi r square. The second thing, you have to find the shaded region. So first of all, we will find the area of BOD and subtract the total area. So you will find out the area of the shaded region. How to solve? Look at this one given. Radius of a circle. How much? 3.5 centimeter. And OD equal to 2 centimeter, right here. And the first value, you have to find the quadrant OACB. So now you can write area of quadrant circle OACB equal to 1 upon 4 pi r square. Value of pi, it is 22 upon 7, and the value of r 3.5. How many times? You have to write 2 times, 3.5 and 3.5. Point remove, you can write 10. 7 1 ja 7 and 7 5 ja 35. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, and divide by 2, so it will come 11. Okay, so you can write 11 into 5, 55, or 11 3 ja 33, 33, 38, 38.5 upon 4. It is centimeter square. So this is your the first requirement, 38.5 upon 4 centimeter square, quadrant OACV, area of quadrant OACV. And now you can find area of triangle BOD equal to 1 upon 2 base into height. So base into height, that means 1 upon 2. So base, what is the base here? Base is BD. BD and height is OD. So BD is given how much? 3.5, and OD. How much OD is? 2 centimeter. 2 cancel by 2. So that become 3.5 centimeter square area of OAD. Now you can find area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant, area of quadrant OACB minus area of triangle BOD. So how much area of quadrant? 38.5. 38.5 upon 4 minus how much? 3.5. 3.5. So now you can write point remove. Point remove 10 and point remove 40. Okay, so that become the LCM is how much? 40. So 385 is here and minus 4 times. So 35 into 4, how much? 140. After subtracting, so 5 as it is 5 here, and 8 minus 4, 4, and 3 minus 1 is 2, 245 upon 40. Okay friends, and now you can divide by 5. 5 adja and 5 divide. So 5 4 ja and 5 9 ja, 49 upon 8. So here it is 49 upon 8 centimeter square. 49. So area of shaded region. So I think you can understand area of the shaded region equal to 49 upon 8 centimeter square. Question number next, calculate the area of the designed region in figure common between the two quadrants of circles of radius 8 centimeter each. In this question we have the side of a square equal to 8 centimeter and also radius of a quadrant of a circle is 8 centimeter. Both are equal. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. How to find? Look at this one. Given side of a square is equal to 8 centimeter and radius of a quadrant of a circle equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, and first of all we will find the area of a square. So what is the formula? Area of a square, side into side. And what is the side here? 8 into 8. How much? 64 centimeter square. The area of a square. The second one we have to find the area of two quadrant of a circle equal to number of quadrant, there are 2. So 2 into 1 upon 4 pi r square. So here it is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So 1 upon 2 into pi. Pi means 22 upon 7, and the value of r. R how much here? 8. 8 into 8. So divide by this one 11. So 11 into 64 upon 7. So 64 1 is 64 and 64 1 is 64 plus 6 704. This one is centimeter square. So there are two things is completed, right? Area of shaded region, area of shaded region. So area of two quadrant of a circle, area of two quadrant of circles minus area of a square equal to area of two quadrant of circle. Here it is 704 upon 7 minus 64, and we will solve. 7 is LCM, 704 as it is, and multiply by 7. 4 7 is 28 and 4 7 6 7 is 42. 42 plus 2 44. After subtracting, 14 minus 8 is 6, 10 becomes 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 7 becomes 6, 6 minus, so 256 upon 7. So here it is, the required answer is 256 upon 7 centimeter square. So now you can write, hence area of design region is 256 upon 7 centimeter square. So this is your required answer, and I think you can understand this chapter is completed. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. And thank you very much for watching this video.